Top 5 AI tools to make $100 per day online. Imagine making $100 a day on autopilot. Sounds too good to be true? Well, with AI, it's not just possible, it's happening right now. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful AI tools that can help you automate, scale, and generate income online, whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or entrepreneur. Stay till the end because I'll also show you a secret AI hack that most people don't even know about. First on our list, Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI-powered writing tool that creates blog posts, social media content, and even YouTube scripts. In seconds, just type in a few keywords, and bam! It writes content that looks like a human wrote it. Best for bloggers, marketers, and YouTubers. Try Jasper AI today. Link in the description. Next up, meet Pictory AI, the ultimate video creation tool. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel without showing your face, this tool is for you. It turns simple text into full-blown videos with stock footage, voiceovers, and smooth transitions. Many YouTubers are making $10,000 plus per month with AI-generated videos. Link in the description to start your YouTube journey today. Want to automate your entire online business? Meet System.io, an all-in-one AI-powered marketing platform. Build sales funnels, email automation, and membership sites without any coding. Get your free System.io account using the link below. Ever wanted to have a professional voiceover without hiring someone? Murph AI does exactly that. You can choose from over 100 plus AI voices that sound just like real people.
Go far. Go to the woods, the mountains, the oceans.
Best for YouTubers, podcast creators, audiobook narrators. Try it now. Link in the description. Last but not least, Canva AI, a game changer for designers and marketers. With AI-powered one-click background removal, instant templates, and video editing, Canva makes professional branding easy. Pro tip: many freelancers are earning $5,000 plus per month selling AI-generated designs on Fiverr. Start creating with Canva AI today. Link in the description. Now that you've seen the power of AI, which tool are you excited to try first? Comment below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI money-making secrets.